Hey there, it's Kayle, a third semester radio student, and welcome to a show that I like to call College Life Cooking. And today, we are going to make Kraft mac and cheese. We're going to start off by getting everything we need, like the butter, milk, and the pots and pans. We're going to start off by getting 6 cups of water. Now that it's done, set the water on the stove, turn it on to high, and wait for it to boil. While we wait for the water to boil, let's get some of the other stuff measured out, like the tablespoon of margarine, and, let's see if I can do this without making a mess, a 1/3 cup of milk. No one saw that. Okay, now that the water's boiling, we can add the pasta. Then set a timer for 7 minutes, stirring occasionally with whatever utensil you need. And then we can add all the other good stuff. When your timer goes off, you're just gonna wanna give it a nice stir, check to see if they look finished. Mine look pretty good. Now we gotta dump out all the water. Now that all the water is drained out, we're gonna wanna move the pot to the colder set of burners and add all the stuff. Like the milk, the butter, and you cannot have Kayle without their cheese. Now, we just mix it up. And there you have it. Beautiful, delicious macaroni and cheese. I've been Kayle. Thank you for watching College Life Cooking, and if you don't mind, I'm going to go enjoy this.